Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today we're gonna make a delicious fettuccine with nduja sausage ragu. Let's check the ingredients for these recipes. We have today some an-du-yah sausage. This is a Calabrian spicy sausage. I absolutely love it. We have some just normal sausage, then some mascarpone, lemon, a little bit of freshness. Then we got some herbs and these some rosemary and bay leaf. Then we have the classic soffritto, a little bit of red wine, passata, then we got the chicken stock and then some extra virgin olive oil, and to finish off, of course, some parmesan. Let's start, guys. So we having the pan really nice and hot. You pour a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You wait until it gets not too hot, make sure you don't burn the extra virgin olive oil. And then you go straight with soffritto, carrot, onion and celery. Do you know the secret of Asufrito? Well, there is no much secret, but to get a really nice soffritto, the flavor, you need to make sure there is the same quantity. So it's the only things that I will suggest you to do. And straight into the pan. And we leave the veg to soften a little bit, so then we can start with the meat. So you don't need much, just a couple of minutes until the veg they get really nice brown and soft, yeah? And then we go with the meat, yeah? Stay with me. And can you see it's really nice and soft? They're getting brown. So we cooked for a few minutes. And now we can start to go with the sausage meat. So you can get really the sausage meat, or you can get the normal sausage and then remove the skin, so it is easier for you then to deep fry with the veg. In a second, once the sausage meat is start to get nice and cooked, we can also add the an-du-yah sausage. Now, guys, as you can see, it's not completely cooked, but I can go also with an-du-yah. This is going to give you also an amazing color. So let's brown the meat first, and then we can add a shot of red wine. That's what the meat needs now. So now, guys, can you see the meat is nice and cooked? We are going to deglaze the pan. So we're adding a little bit of red wine. Let's evaporate. That's very important. Two important things with the wine. First of all, of course, it needs to completely evaporate. And second, I want you to use the best quality wine. I mean, as you drink the wine and you know it's a good quality, why would you put a different quality on your food? Never. So the same bottle that you drink has to be in your food, yeah? That's important. That's very important. Can you see how indulgent? Ragazzi, the an-du-yah sausage sauce is now ready. I'm going just to remove the bay leaf, just to make sure that it doesn't go in the plate to anyone. Now, what I am going to add, you will love this. I'm going to add a little bit of mascarpone. It's just a tiny little bit to make it creamy, to just, you know, also balance the spicy sausage. So we make it a little bit more sweet. So it's all in, and we just leave it to melt. Can you see already? It slightly changed the color. Of course, it gets a little bit more lighter. And also, something really particular for this recipe is lemon. I done it. Actually, I done it. I always try, you know, to do this. I don't know how to do, Roberta. Just cook and don't get into this. So, lemon. First of all, we're going to add a little bit of lemon zest. Just a tiny little bit. When you add the lemon zest, guys, the only secret that I want to share with you, you need to make sure that you just get the skin. As soon as you're going to touch a little bit of this white part, it's going to taste bitter. So make sure that you always turn the lemon and you always check. So a little bit of zest, and then also we love it to add some, just a tiny little bit of lemon juice. That's it. So we are now ready to simply cook our pasta. Today we're gonna pair with amazing fettuccine. I, of course, gonna try this baby and see how it tastes now, and if I'm happy with the flavor, if I need to add anything else. That's spicy. The water for the pasta is ready. Let's cook. I'm going to plate this amazing fettuccine. Opla. Nice, full of sauce as I love. You know why I love a lot of sauce? Because then I have to do the scarpetta with the bread, you know? It's that little bread that you collect all the sauce at the end. I just wanted to put more sauce. Delizioso, ragazzi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and let me know what other recipe you want to see. Grazie mille, ciao ciao.